guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. As you can see from this video's title, today we are going to be doing a makeup challenge. It's been quite a while since I done my last makeup challenge, so I thought, let's do one together. Today's challenge is to see if I can complete a full face of makeup with no mirrors. Yeah, this is really gonna test me. Do I have the skills? Do I have the memory to understand, I don't know, how eyeshadow should look without looking at myself and the way my brows should be placed? I don't know. This is going to be difficult and weird, but hopefully we should have a lot of fun together. If you do enjoy this video, please hit the thumbs up. And without further ado, let's get on into the video. For this, I need to put this mirror away. So goodbye, let's put that in this drawer here. So first, let's put my hair up out the way so I don't get any makeup in it. I think that works. First step to any makeup routine is moisturizer. This is a Body Shop one. This is the Aloe Soothing Day Cream. Pretty easy. Don't need to look at myself for this one. Taking some on my hand and rubbing it in. Next simple step is primer. So today I'm going in with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. So again, really simple. Just picking some of that up, rubbing it between my hands, and then pressing it in where I want it, and then rubbing it into the skin. So far, so good. Those have been quite easy steps. But let's crack on with foundation. For this, I'm using the Rare Beauty foundation in the shade 150C. So it's got a nice applicator. Just going to apply it all over the face, or try to, with what I can see. So I actually did a full review on some of Rare Beauty's products, so you should go check that out, and I'll link it in the tags now and in the description. Okay, so for this, I'm gonna blend it in with a brush, and then I'm gonna dab it with a damp beauty blender, because then hopefully that will smooth out any like lines or streaks. This film is very odd. I'm normally concentrating on what I'm doing and looking at, but I can't do that today. I am gonna focus on this a bit more. Like, I'm gonna blend it, take my time and go in a lot. Maybe over blend it, because I want it to look good. How is it looking, guys? Have I missed any areas? I can't see. So yeah, so for this challenge, I've hidden my mirror away and I can't even see the viewfinder like my camera. So if you've got a bad angle, oops, I'm sorry. Hopefully not. Okay, I think that's pretty blended, I hope. So let's use that damp beauty blender now just to go over the face, making sure there's no streaks. I always struggle around my nose usually. Really interested to see what this is gonna look like. This challenge was trending like quite a while ago, but I thought it'd be cool to do as I've never done it before. Oh, the anxiety's real. I have bad anxiety as it is and I want to see it, but I can't. But let's move on and let's go on with concealer. So this is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewinder Concealer, and probably the shade 01, but it's rubbed off. Using this concealer because it's pretty foolproof. So under the eyes, in the chin area, the forehead, cheekbones-ish. Gonna pull it out a bit more because I don't think I did. How do I look? Do I look good? I bet it looks like a mess. For this, I'm gonna go straight in with a beauty blender, because I usually use a beauty blender. So extra bounces today to make sure it's blended in. Oh, contouring, how's that gonna go? Not good, probably. I guess I have to use my hand to like fill my features. That's another good idea. I can feel like where it's wet and then blend where it's wet. Like, it's not like super wet, but you can feel where the product is. Like, nice. I don't know if it looks good, but as long as everything's blended, that's all that matters. Also, sorry if I'm keeping a lot of eye contact today because I haven't got a mirror to look at, so I'm just looking straight ahead all the time. Should I be looking at the wall? Where do I look when I do this? Why do I feel so awkward? Just feeling my face casually. Maybe a bit there. Okay, I think we're good. Now let's go in with some bronzer and contouring and ruin this makeup look. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with kind of sheer like buildable one. So this is the Putty Bronzer by Elf. I don't know what shade it is. Probably like the medium one. Doesn't say on the packet, forgot. And I'm just gonna take up this brush, which I normally apply it with, which is from Unicorns Cosmetics. It is actually the 084, and they're actually redoing these brushes at the moment, so when they release them I might pick up some more, because I actually got this from a mystery bag and I quite like it. Okay, so I'm picking up some of this product here. I get a feel for my cheekbone and kind of apply it. As you should probably see, there's like not like a dark line, or it's quite soft, or it should be, which is why I chose this product, because if I like applied like the Fenty matchstick and then had to blend it, I don't think that would go as well. Whereas this, I could just build it. I put makeup on a lot, so, and especially my base routine, I've got down to a T, so hopefully this goes okay. But I reckon I could be under bronzed, because I can't see it, I'm not putting that much on. Just getting nice and bronzed, contoured and snatched, hopefully. Hopefully not making the face look muddy. Okay, so do I stop? I can't stop, I want to keep applying more. I don't even know if I've even put any here. Okay, I'm stopping before I go too far. This is the contouring. Can't wait to edit this and look back at each stage and see how it goes and see where I really did mess up and what helped out and what didn't. Awesome, so let's add some blush. I'm going in with the Revolution Pro blush in the shade Peaches. I use this blush all the time, so yeah, hopefully it goes alright, because yeah, I use this blush all the time, so I just do what I usually do. So on the cheekbones / cheeks, pick up an angle brush and just blend. Blendy, blendy, blend. Extra blending so I don't not blend enough. Over blend is the key today. Losing my mind slightly. I love a good challenge. If you love makeup challenges, I've actually created a playlist of all my makeup challenges, which I'll list up here and in the description, so you can go check it out. Okay? Touching the face to see if it's blended. I think we're okay. So now let's set this face, even if it shouldn't be set because it looks awful. We just need to set it, because that's part of my makeup process. So today I'm using the e.l.f. High Definition Powder in the shade Translucent. What I do something weird actually. So I've got a brush. There's quite a lot of powder in the lid because I left it open once. I pick up the powder with the brush, like this. And then I tap it off from the lid. And then I have a little bit on the brush and I go in with the under eye first. So that's the area I crease. Then pick up some more and then go with the smile lines. Just like so, and around the nose. And then pick up some more, top of the head. And then we get a bigger brush. Get a bigger fluffy brush and pick up some more, just a little bit, and go everywhere. So again, hopefully this is another easy step because it's translucent. It looks nice. Might have dried out my face a bit by putting too much powder on in certain areas. Might have missed areas, but so far so good. So next step for me is usually brows. So I normally fill them in with like a brow pomade, but that's going to be way too difficult today. So I'm going to set them with some brow gel. Then I'm going to try add a bit of colour to the tail. Because I thought if I just set them with brow gel, that's quite boring to watch. But if I try colour them in and mess up, that could be quite funny. So first I'm going in with some brow gel. This is the Perfect Tamer by W7. Really good and really cheap. Oh god, where is my brows? I thought this was going to be easier than it is. Okay. Oh my god, I hate this. I don't know, I brush up and then slightly to the side. And then I'm just going to push them down with my finger because I can actually feel more with my finger than I can with this brush. Hopefully that looks okay. Now let's do it again on the other brow. Yep, just brushing the hairs up and the tail slightly out. And then using my finger because it's easier. The eye contact with the camera is real. I need something to concentrate on when I'm doing my makeup. Like, I normally look at my face and concentrate. I'm just looking at the lens. After doing that, I really don't want to risk it. But let's do it. Okay. Under the brow. Lightly pushing down. Making a tail. Not putting any more on. Ta-da! Did it work? I don't even know if I put any product on because I pushed so little. Okay, so brow. And the tail. And a bit in the middle. Ta-da! And my brows should be looking snitched. Let's apply a little bit of eyeshadow. Pa! Just kidding, that'll be so difficult. He said full face, so let's add some bronzer into the crease. So I am doing a bit of eyeshadow work, but nothing crazy where I like ruin everything. There's a mirror. I promise I didn't look. I forgot about that. Let me grab a different bronzer that doesn't have a mirror. Same with highlighter. Ooh, this is the Revolution Mega Bronzer. So let's just pick some of that up on a fluffy brush. Tap off the excess. Ooh, that's quite a lot. And go into the crease. And then just run it backwards and forwards. And hopefully it will create a nice shape without ruining anything. Oh, also I won't even know when the eyes look the same, like if I have enough product on one eye or too much on the other. Okay, next one, crease, brush, and swipe. Swipe and slightly blend up, I think. So I normally curl my lashes, but that could be quite dangerous as I don't want to squeeze my eyelid. So let's go straight in with some mascara today. This is gonna go all over my face. Well, not all over my face, like my eyelids. There you go. The concentration face is so real right now. Beautiful, I think I did it. Next eye. Really try not to make a mess. Oh, I stabbed myself in the nose. I stabbed myself in the nose. Where is it? Is that it? Did I get it? Is it gone? Guys, have I got any black? Well, I picked some stuff up. Let's just use a beauty blender. Hopefully that worked. If it hasn't, I'm gonna be so funny. Imagine watching this. I must look like a lunatic. She is almost done. I want to add some highlighter to the inner eye just to make it like pop. Some highlighter on my cheeks. Oh, and then I gotta do lips. Okay, yeah, let's do highlighter on my cheeks. That's what I have in my hand. So this is the Rare Beauty Mini in the shade Mesmerize. Simple. Take some on the back of the hand. Beauty blender. And just ooh, ooh. Add the shimmer and glow. Sometimes with the bow and the nose. Hopefully I look good and shiny. So add in a bit of this Revolution Reloaded highlighter in the shade Razor Bar and a little pencil brush. Picking some up and stamping it in a corner without blinding myself. And just getting the color out, getting that color shade in just to make the look more interesting. And doing the same with the other eye. Time for lipstick. Let's have some fun and do 2 steps. So liquid lipstick, the end of my X Lingerie in the shade Turn Me On. Then a gloss at the end to cover up all the mistake. I'm taking the excess product off the applicator because I don't want to make a mess. And let's just go for it. How do I do this? I really hope this looks good. I think we leave it like that. Give it a bit of rub, make sure I get it everywhere. Let it dry down before we apply the gloss. While my lipstick is drying down and before we put the gloss on, why don't you subscribe to my channel? There's a big red button. If you haven't clicked on it, go click on it. And also leave a comment. Tell me in the comments one thing that makes you happy right now. Could be anything that pops to your mind. Put it down in the comments. What makes me happy right now? Honestly, the amount of fun I'm having in this challenge. But at the moment, what's making me happy is spending time with the people I love, like my family and friends. I'm very fortunate to be able to be really close to them. And yeah, that just makes me so happy. Now that it's dried down, I think. Yeah, it's a bit sticky, but can't be bothered to wait. Let's add some gloss. So this is the Revolution Shimmer Bomb. So let's add lots of sparkle. So there's a bottom lip, top lip. Ooh, and there's the glitter on. Should I set my face? I think I should, because I usually do it and I said I need to do a full face. Is it worth setting? Who knows? Going in with the e.l.f. Illuminating Setting Mist. Ooh, and spraying like so. Do you know what's also been weird? I normally judge or make sure I look pretty in the way I act or the way I position myself. But I haven't been able to do that, so... High anxiety, that's why I've been rambling a lot, but I hope it makes a good video. So anxious. Shall we get the mirror out? If I point it away from me. As you can see, I'm just recording with my iPhone here. And let's turn it. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. I mean, it looks okay. Pretty impressed with the lips, actually. That's quite even. I mean, the cupid's bow is slightly off and the corners are messy. Eyeshadow or bronzer is not even at all, but... And the brows are basically nothing. Wow, this one's pretty good, actually. But this one's like a bit of a mess. I tried to set them and brush them in place, but it didn't work so much. I think the highlighter did add something, or otherwise, yes, this look could be boring. Bronzer, yeah, it's a bit messy. Look, like so messy down here. This is the finished look. Did I succeed in the challenge? Yeah, maybe not. No, yes, I will say yes. But there's things I can work on. Let me know in the comments what you think, and did I just make this challenge too easy for myself by just doing something basic? I don't know. But anyway, thank you for watching this video and making it to the end. I really appreciate it. If you could, I would love that you would hit the thumbs up and subscribe and come support my channel. If you have any specific videos you want me to create, just let me know in the comments, as I will cater to you guys. Anyway, I'll see you next Tuesday at 6. Bye!